Hey guys, what's up? How y'all doing? It's your girl Nala and I'm back. Today guys, I just wanted to review a really nice park in Atlanta with my boy. Say hey, Mary. Ooh, yeah. But I just wanted to get some footage because we came here yesterday and it was it was trash everywhere, as y'all can see. They clean up daily. A lot of kids here. But today is pretty clear and I just wanted to get some good footage because the wind is blowing and yeah, I can't do too much talking and things like that. Wow, look, y'all, Mir already at the top. He loves this playground. Mir! Mir! Y'all look over there. Y'all can see, like, the bridge, the city. Back here is, like, an area like Centennial Park. And, like, the water shoots up out the ground. But, yeah. I'm gonna get y'all the footage and I'll be right back. So as y'all see, off the rip, like off back, whatever the saying is, just straight up. But as you guys can see, they have like this really cool sitting area. I feel like a parent sitting area vibe. Overlooks like the playground area, as you can tell. And I feel like parent vibes because I can definitely see what my son is doing from up here. But I don't have to be like in the mix of, you know, the kids and all of that, you know. So you can see pretty much everything from here. Great views. So this is the part where I was saying the water comes up out of the ground right here. And it's a nice little water play area for the kids, and this is like the pre-shower for the kids. It's really cool. So as y'all can see, this is a huge park. Hold on, y'all. To accommodate the huge park, there is like a lot of sitting area and a lot of like space for you. Okay, my apologies. I called this guy's ride for him, so they was trying to call me back. Just being nice. Now, I wouldn't advise you to let someone get your phone to make a phone call because we are in Atlanta still. But there's nothing wrong with you calling them for the person and putting on speakerphone. You can be nice, you know what I'm saying? We got enough going on in this world. So, yeah, let's just carry on. Keep going. Carry on. You ready, Mary? Huh? Okay, we're going that way. Cool. Before we go that way, I just want y'all to see. Well, we'll walk. Look at how beautiful that is. So we'll go over there, but yeah, let's go. This is so beautiful. I hope y'all can hear me. It's really not an area to go to be loud. Like, it's so serene and so peaceful. I can really just sit right here all day and just listen to the waterfall. Y'all, look at the little water trail. Like, this is beautiful. I could just sit here and just gather my thoughts, get my mind together. As y'all can see, there's like a little sitting area over there. Yes, you can sit over there. Yes, you can sit over there and go over there. There's another side to enter, like over there. So like here you can't enter. Right here, this is pretty much the end of this path. But we'll go on that side and show you all the views if you were sitting right there. So let's go. Look at how beautiful it is though. So quiet and calm and peaceful. Let's go. Wow, so as I was coming up the steps, there's another waterfall and more sitting area.
It's just beautiful.
Okay, y'all, so this is the way you get over here. It's very much safe. Even if you brought kids this way, there's gates so that they can't enter the water. Beautiful rocks, beautiful landscape. Look at the water. Beautiful. Y'all can see they also have a basketball court, and I guess the balls are, oh, be careful. You okay? Go get it. They have a basketball court and the balls are left here just for anybody to use. Also, I noticed that they have like 4 square bleachers or stands, whatever you call it. Multi-use, as y'all can see, this court can be used for many different reasons. Basketballs on this side, and then they don't have any goals or anything on this side. So I guess you can play whatever your little heart desires, but nonetheless, this is pretty cool. And like I said, the balls stay here, so you just pull up and 1v1 me. Okay, come slide. Okay, so for all my parents out there, they do have restrooms here, which is a big lifesaver when you got somebody like this who want to drink all the juice. The restrooms are not open right now, but normally the restrooms are open. I do have like a picture when I was in the bathroom before. Woo! Side is open. What the heck? They're not open, Mir. Beautiful park all around, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you hate it. But no, we don't be hating, so make sure you give me a thumbs up. Comment if you got any questions about this park that you need me to answer. I'll be honest when it comes to safety, location, convenience, park maintenance, all type of things. Whatever you have a question about, don't be afraid to ask me, because your girl gonna be honest. Okay, come on, Mary.
Come on, I have to get the water.
Yeah, it's hot out here. He really wants his water in. 1 second. So yeah, like I said, I'll be 100% honest with you all. So just send me any questions that you have. Write it in the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. I love you guys, and until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace. Let me answer this boy. Yes, Mary. Oh yeah, one more thing, guys. Safety is a big part of having fun, exercise. This is considered exercise. Y'all see I'm sweating. I just walked around and gave y'all footage. But safety is a big thing when you're out here. Make sure that y'all get the kids some snacks and water. Mary, let them see your water and your snacks. He got his water and his snacks. So guys, it's very hot out here. The kids are not tripping when they say they're hungry or they need water or they're tired. They're not being little brats. They really are, because I'm grown up and I know I feel that way too. The ice cream man usually is out here, but the kids are not out of school yet. I'm talking real fast because I'm trying to hurry up and wrap up this video, because I too myself need some water and I'm thirsty as well. So yes guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next. Peace.